Hmm. Okay. So, yeah, again, there are some lines and you have to translate it. Rahul does this work.
राहुल यह
Hmm.
काम
Work. Hmm.
कर
Hmm.
करता हूँ
Karta, then it is Rahul, not
करता
you. It is not
करता है
I. Yeah. राहुल यह काम करता है. Very good.
काम करता है।
Rahul did this work.
राहुल यह काम करता था
था. Very good. राहुल यह काम करता था. She came to me.
वह
So to me is मेरे पास.
वह मेरे पास आएंगी
No, this is came. This is past tense. Like आएंगी will be if there will be she will come to me. Then it will
आया था
and
आयाती थी
आई थी. वह मेरे पास आती थी.
बस आती थी
Yeah. And she comes to me.
वह मेरे पास आती थी
It is she comes to me. This is present tense.
आएंगी
No. What will be in present tense? Like my name is Vijay Kumar. So what you say?
हमारा
नहीं, like मेरा नाम विजय कुमार है,
मैं
because this is present tense. It is also present tense. She comes to me.
वह मेरे पास
Look, this is just like this. Rahul does this work.
ओके वह मेरे पास आई आ
So okay, this is simple. आती है, because this is
आती
present
है
tense. Yeah, वह मेरे पास आती है. It was like she came to me, आती थी, and she comes to me, आती है. Okay.
आती है
Okay. So here I have not translated in Hindi. These are simple words. So just try to translate. He eats food.
वह
Food.
खा खाना वह खाना कर
No, eat.
खा
What is eat? खा.
वह खाना खा
खाता.
खाता
या वह खाना खाता. Then
वह खाना खाता है
yeah, वह खाना खाता है. He ate food.
वह खाना खाते थे
खाता था, because this is only one
खाता
person.
था
Yeah.
खाता था
He will eat food.
वह खाना खा
Now this is future tense. So just think and say.
Unga will come.
Unga will be when I, with I it will be hunga, but it is he. Like if there will be I will eat food, then मैं खाना खाऊंगा. But it is he will eat food.
Ka raha.
No, it will be खाऊंगा was fine. So खाएगा. It will be खाएगा because it is he. He will eat food. वह खाना खाएगा.
वह खाना खाएगा.
So in future tense, this will be simple. Like if there is he, then खाएगा. If it is I, then खाऊंगा. If it is they, then खाएंगे.
खाएंगे.
Yeah. He will not eat food.
वह खाना नहीं खाएगा.
खाएगा. This is simple.
खाएगा.
Just we will put not. So nahi will be there. Okay. Otherwise the sentence will be same. I play football.
मुझे.
No. मैं
फुटबॉल खेलता है.
It is I.
खेलता रहा.
No, it is I play football. This is simple present tense. Like I play football. Like
फुटबॉल खेलता है.
will be with he. It is I.
खेलता हूँ.
Yeah. He plays football.
वह फुटबॉल खेलता है.
Yeah. I played football.
मैं फुटबॉल.
Past tense.
खेलता था.
Yeah. I will play football.
मैं फुटबॉल खेल.
So this is future tense. What will come in future tense? In the end, what I just shared before like 5 minutes ago.
उंगा.
मैं फुटबॉल खेलूंगा. Okay? मैं फुटबॉल खेलूंगा. Yeah.
Okay.
We will join those words. Okay? मैंने फुटबॉल खेला था. मैं फुटबॉल खेलूंगा. Okay? He is playing football.
वह फुटबॉल से.
हाँ वह फुटबॉल. Yeah.
वह फुटबॉल.
There is an ing.
खेल रहा. रहेगा.
No, खेल रहा, and this is simple. Is, what is?
रहा है.
Yeah. Okay.
वह फुटबॉल खेल रहा है.
He was playing football.
वह फुटबॉल खेल रहा था.
Yeah. Okay. He will be playing football.
वह फुटबॉल खेल रहेगा.
No, so it is will plus ing. So if there is simple present tense, then it will be खेल रहेगा. But it is will plus ing, then it will be खेल रहा होगा. Raha is necessary. Okay,
Okay.
in
वह
where,
फुटबॉल खेल रहा होगा.
yeah, because wherever it is ing, then raha will come. Okay, khel raha hoga, like you can see the last there, he is playing football. So in present tense it will be वह football खेल रहा है. In past tense
Will
वह football,
will for ho. Huh? Ho. Will come.
no, will for future. So like whenever it is when we say he will go there, वह वहां जाएगा, खाएगा, गाएगा, like this kind of words come in will. But here it is will plus ing, then always it will be रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे. If there is like it is they will be playing football, then it will be वे football खेल
रहे
रहे
होंगे.
होंगे. Yeah, and if it is I,
रहा रहा होगा.
yeah, got it. So whenever it is will be plus ing, then it will be raha hoga, rahe honge. And if there is just was an ing, like you can say he was playing, was and ing is there, then it will be raha tha, rahe the, okay, rahi thi. And if it is plus ing means present tense, then it will be raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hain. Okay. Okay, now I have shared that what is may. Do you remember what is may? He may play football.
वह
Hmm.
ए पहला.
No, so may is sakta hai, sakti hai. Like if there is she, then it will
Okay.
be sakta hai, and if there is he, then sakti is sakti hai, and if there is they or we, like sakte hain. Okay,
सकते.
and same may and can, both are same.
बहुत.
Like okay, so
Okay.
now just make the sentence.
वह फुटबॉल खेल सकता है.
Yeah. Okay.
वह फुटबॉल खेल सकता है. For both
So
same.
yeah, both for may or for can, both are like sakta hai. Like but here you can in English you know that in may the probability is less than can, but in Hindi both are like वह football खेल सकता है, there is no change. Wherever it is can, then we can also use may. It will be सकता है, सकते हैं, सकती है. Okay. Okay, so I want to meet him.
मैं
Him,
मैं उसका
उससे, उससे. Hello, yeah, it is उससे. Can you hear me? Yeah. It is like him is उससे. Okay.
मैं उससे
Meet. Meet is मिलना.
मिलना.
Yeah.
मैं
And want?
उससे लेना.
It is चाहत, चाहना.
चाहना.
So like it will be according to चाहता. Here it will be चाहता.
मैं उससे
Yeah.
मिल चाहता है.
No, it is I. Always remember, wherever it is I, then what, how we will end it?
हूँ. चाहता हूँ.
मैं उससे मिलना चाहता हूँ.
मिलना चाहता हूँ. मैं
Okay.
उससे मिलना चाहता हूँ.
I wanted to meet him.
मैं उससे मिलना चाहता था.
Yeah, very good. The teacher does not teach English. So teacher. So teacher is शिक्षक और अध्यापक, whatever you want to say. अध्यापक या फिर शिक्षक. Yeah. So
अध्यापक.
yeah. So if you want to say शिक्षक, then it is fine, or अध्यापक you can, both are for teacher. Yeah.
अध्यापक.
English.
अंग्रेजी.
Teach.
नहीं.
Yeah. Teach.
पढ़ा.
पढ़ाता.
पढ़ा था.
In present tense, what it will be?
है.
Yeah. शिक्षक अंग्रेजी नहीं. So okay, पढ़ाते हैं is also fine. पढ़ाता is also, both are right. Like, because there is teacher, so we can't say, like, if you want to give him respect, then you can say शिक्षक अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ाते हैं. If you just want to say like some teacher, then it is also fine. शिक्षक अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ाता है. Okay. So yeah.
शिक्षक अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ाते हैं.
Yeah. Like it is only one teacher, but if you want to give him respect, that's why it is पढ़ाते हैं. Otherwise पढ़ाता है is also fine. Okay, it is just like you. Whenever we say you या आप, then we give them respect, so it is पढ़ाते हैं, it will be okay. So it is totally fine, whatever you have said. The teacher did not teach. Yeah. No, so अध्यापक and शिक्षक both are synonyms. Okay. So there is no difference. The teacher did not teach English.
शिक्षक अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ाते थे.
Yeah.
पढ़ाते थे.
Okay. You wanted to change. Okay. Why did Rohit get married?
क्यों रोहित
marriage, do you know what is marriage? It is, marriage is shadi.
शादी.
Yeah. Now make the sentence.
क्यों रोहित शादी क्यों रोहित
रोहित ने शादी, then it will be क्यों की, and
Okay.
how we will end.
रोहित ने शादी क्यों शाद
की या करी, both we can say की, and it is did, like रोहित ने शादी क्यों की थी,
को रोहित ने शादी क्यों की थी,
like we can say शादी, like most of the sentence in Hindi, okay, if there is e की मात्रा like शादी, so it is e की मात्रा, then it will be female, got it, so we have used थी, okay,
रोहित ने शादी क्यों की थी,
and की is for did is do, like do means karna, okay, and this is past tense of do,
okay,
okay, so like you can say क्यों करी थी, we can also say करी थी, like करना, so करी will also come, or की is also fine, so Hindi is just like that, like you can say की or करी. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm just showing one sentence. This is, now there are some sentence I have used, okay, like we say na, I used to do this. So in Hindi, what we can say? So there will be like 4-5 sentence are used by, like we will use used. Used I not to talk you. So used I not to talk you. क्या मैं तुमसे बात नहीं किया करता था. So wherever it is used, we will say किया करता. Okay. मैं ऐसा किया करता था, या किया करता था, या किया करती थी, या किया करते थे. Okay. So this is just example we will do in from next slide. Mohan used not to read science.
मोहन
Science. Science is विज्ञान.
विज्ञान. मोहन विज्ञान नहीं पढ़ा करता है.
So it is used.
क्या करता है,
किया, it is used. Yeah, got it. मोहन विज्ञान नहीं पढ़ा करता था.
नहीं पढ़ा करता था.
Yeah.
मोहन विज्ञान पढ़ा करता था,
नहीं पढ़ा करता था. Okay. Sita used to read English.
सीता अंग्रेजी पढ़ा क्या.
No, it is just like that. पढ़ा.
Okay. पढ़ा करती थी.
Yeah. Okay.
सीता अंग्रेजी पढ़ा करती थी.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
मोहन
No, used Radha to go there.
Used Radha to go there.
So this is question mark. No, so it is question mark. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Radha क्या Radha?
There.
क्या राधा क्या उधर करती थी.
And you forget one word, go.
जा करती थी.
जाया करती थी. क्या
जाया
राधा
करती थी.
उधर या वहां जाया करती थी.
क्या राधा वहाँ जाया करती थी?
Okay, so there or udhar both are okay. Wahan, so there is no issue. Why used you not to wait for me?
Why? क्या
No, why?
आप
No, this is why, not what.
क्यों
Yes.
आप नहीं
Wait is pratiksha.
नहीं प्रतीक्षा
So for me means मेरे लिए.
मेरे लिए?
Okay.
क्यों मेरे लिए?
Okay, I will show you. तो मेरी प्रतीक्षा क्यों नहीं, मेरे लिए या मेरी, both like here I have written मेरी, but yeah, मेरे लिए और मेरी both are for me. क्यों नहीं किया करता था, तो नहीं सॉरी, करते थे will come. I have written wrong. I have written तुम, so it will be तुम मेरी प्रतीक्षा क्यों नहीं किया करते थे. Okay.
तुम मेरी प्रतीक्षा क्यों नहीं क्या करते थे?
Yeah. So you is for तुम, मेरी प्रतीक्षा, wait for me, क्यों नहीं like why not, why and not, क्यों नहीं, किया करते थे is used. Okay, for used it will be क्यों नहीं किया करते थे. Why used I to eat mango?
Why used
I eat to mango.
क्यों
Mango, forget.
आम?
Yeah, very good. हाँ.
क्यों
So like, so start from I.
मैं
Mango.
आम
Why?
मैं आम क्यों
Eat.
कर
No, eat.
का
हाँ, खाया.
खाया?
Now and used. Just what we are using from 4, 5.
Yeah,
Like,
that
go.
word. Yeah.
Just have a look.
Katti. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now say.
मैं
Hmm.
आम क्यों खाता
खाया.
खाया करते हूँ?
Like करती थी.
करती थी.
Yeah. Yeah, if for female,
करता
like I will say मैं क्यों खाया करती थी, and you can say
था.
मैं आम क्यों खाया
करता
करता था. Okay, so here gender is not mentioned, but in Hindi,
Okay.
like in English sentence, you have not mentioned here she or he, but in Hindi we have to mention like मैं आम क्यों खाया करता था, so we can understand that it is he, और करती थी, so it will be she. Okay, so now there are two example of different type of sentence. Now used to have completed. We are going like, if I were a prime minister, I would help the poor. So whenever it is if, then it will be agar. Okay, agar. If is agar. हाँ, agar, then I.
अगर मैं
Prime minister.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर
Yeah, prime minister is pradhan mantri, then prime minister is also okay. Everyone know what is prime minister, so you can say so were, if I were, then it will be अगर मैं प्रधानमंत्री होता, I
अगर
would
मैं
help,
प्रधानमंत्री होता
तो
मैं
पुअर इज गरीबों, गरीब गरीब,
गरीब
गरीब की हेल्प करता मीन्स
गरीब की
हेल्प इज मदद,
मदद,
या सो इट विल बी यदि मैं प्रधानमंत्री होता,
यदि 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 मैं प्रधानमंत्री होता तो गरीबों की मदद करता।
या
यदि यदि is
if
यदि,
so whenever the word is start from if and there is comma, like after, if I were a prime minister, I would help the poor. So to link those sentence, both sentence, we use to. Okay,
if then, so means
if then,
huh?
yeah, to
Okay.
means then, got it? Yeah, यदि मैं प्रधानमंत्री होता तो गरीबों की मदद करता. Same is like if I had money, I would buy a car.
यदि
मेरे पास money is पैसा, या पैसा होता,
यदि मेरे पास पैसा होता तो
मैं, बाय मीन्स खरीदना,
मैं खरीदना,
मैं कार खरीदता,
मैं कार खरीदता।
yeah, I have written here car but it is car. Okay,
मेरे पास पैसा होते
या पैसे होते
तो,
और पैसा होता, both are okay.
पैसे होते तो ये
it is car, sorry I have written wrong, it is car.
कार खरीदता,
okay,
खरीदता, खरीद, बाय खरीद, okay.
Like whenever you go to market, you can say I want to buy potatoes. Okay, I would like to buy, so like you can say whenever you are going to purchase something, then you can say like I want to buy a Maggi packet. So like just try to, मैं मुझे मैगी का पैकेट खरीदना है, it will be
खरीदना,
ठीक है. Like I want to buy a laptop, how you will say?
मैं लैपटॉप खरीदना,
मुझे लैपटॉप खरीदना है,
मुझे लैपटॉप खरीदना है.
okay. I like, so okay, now these are different. I like to drink tea. This is simple type of questions, like sentence.
मैं
tea,
चाय,
yeah.
चाय,
drink,
लेना, पीना,
yeah.
मैं चाय पीना पसंद है,
पसंद करता, या मुझे चाय पीना पसंद है, या फिर मैं चाय पीना पसंद करता हूँ,
मुझे चाय पीना पसंद है.
I do not like to drink tea.
मुझे चाय नहीं पीना पसंद है.
No, so मुझे चाय पीना पसंद नहीं है,
मुझे चाय पीना पसंद नहीं है.
okay.
Actually this मुझे we can use anywhere or only?
No, so like like you can't say मैं चाय पीना पसंद है, like what you like, here is like when you are doing something, then it will be mujhe. And if you want to start from I na, then you can also start from मैं. There is no issue, but you have to make sentence like मैं चाय पीना पसंद करता हूँ. Okay, if you want to start for I, like you can start any sentence from मैं, but like at last you have to use करता हूँ. But if you just want to say चाय पीना पसंद है, then you can't say मैं चाय पीना पसंद है. It will be not complete sentence. You can say मुझे चाय पीना पसंद है, or you can say मैं चाय पीना पसंद करता हूँ. Okay, wherever we are using mujhe, then it will end from hai. But if you are starting from मैं, then it will be end with हूँ. Okay, wherever it is मैं, then end with हूँ, like in present tense. But you are starting from मुझे, then what do you like? I like tea, so मुझे चाय पसंद है. Okay, I do not like, okay, मुझे चाय पीना पसंद नहीं है. Okay, so here are some sentence, just try to convert like in Hindi. I am reading this book.
मुझे किताब पढ़ते.
So it is not मुझे, it will be I am reading this book. मैं
किताब पढ़.
M and ing.
करेंगा.
No, मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. Like wherever it is an ing, am an ing, are an ing, then कर रहा हूँ, रही हूँ, रहे हैं. Okay, मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. You are reading this book.
आप किताब पढ़ रहेगा.
No, this is just same, like it is same, like I am reading this book, you are reading this book. Both are same. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ, तुम किताब पढ़ रहे हो. They are reading this book.
पढ़ रहे हो.
या आप किताब पढ़ रहे हैं. Like both you can say. तुम किताब पढ़ रहे हो और आप किताब पढ़ रहे हैं. Okay. They are reading this book.
वे किताब पढ़ रहे हैं.
Yeah. We are reading this book.
हम किताब पढ़ रहे हैं.
Yeah. Why are you reading this book?
क्यों किताब पढ़.
It is same, like just forget why and just make sentence you are reading this book and just add why.
Okay. मैं किताब पढ़
it is
रहा
you are
हूँ.
reading this book.
आप किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. रहा है. रहे हैं.
So just add why now.
आप किताब क्यों पढ़ रहा है.
रहे हैं.
आप किताब क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं.
Yeah. How are you reading this book?
आप किताब
Yes.
क्यों.
How? No, it is कैसे.
कैसे पढ़ रहे हैं.
Yeah. Now she was reading this book.
वह किताब पढ़ रही थी.
Yeah. वह किताब पढ़ रही थी. They were reading this book.
वे किताब पढ़ रहे हैं,
No, this is were.
रहे थे,
Yeah. We were reading this book.
हम किताब पढ़ रहे थे,
Yeah. We were not reading this book.
हम किताब नहीं पढ़ रहे थे,
रहे थे. Yeah. She will be reading this book. This is future.
वह किताब पढ़ रही ही
होगी.
होगी,
वह किताब पढ़
होगी।
रही होगी.
वह किताब रही पढ़ रही होगी।
Will she read this book?
वह किताब क्यों पढ़
No, it will be क्या. Will be क्या.
क्या
If there is.
वह किताब क्या पढ़ रही होगी।
No, so if there is will be an ing, then it will be rahi hogi. It is simple will, like just say she will read this book. How it will be, we will convert in Hindi.
वह किताब पढ़ रही
पढ़ेगी. No, it will be पढ़ेगी. वह किताब. So it is will, then
पढ़ेगी।
so
वह
it is अब पढ़ेगी.
क्या पढ़ेगी?
क्या वह किताब पढ़ेगी?
क्या repeat madam?
Like there is question mark and it is started from will, so it will become what? Okay, so yeah, and just forget kya, just make she will read this book, then what it will be? वह किताब पढ़ेगी. पढ़ेगी. Okay, but it is will is there, just add क्या वह किताब पढ़ेगी?
क्या वह किताब पढ़ेगी?
Yeah, he will not be reading this book.
वह किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा है,
होगा. It is will.
रहा होगा.
Like it was na the first sentence, she will be reading this book. वह किताब पढ़ रही होगी. Okay, will she read this book? So have will come only in present tense. This is future tense. Always remember होगा, होंगे या हो रहा होगा. So it will be like आऊंगा, जाऊंगा, खाऊंगा. So this kind of sentence will come in future tense. So वह किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा होगा. Okay,
पढ़ रहा होगा.
yeah. I have eaten food.
मैं खाना खा.
So it is मैंने खाना खा लिया है. It is past tense.
खा लिया है.
Yeah. या चुका हूँ.
खा लिया है.
So like you were asking ना, so you can also use here. मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ.
मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ.
Yeah. So you were asking चुका हूँ, where here we can use. Like if you want to start from, you don't want to start from मैंने, you want to start from I, like मैं, then you can say मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ. Okay. It is just like you were asking na, where I am using I like why you are not saying that I means मैं? Sometimes you say it is मुझे. So just like that, if you want to start here from I like मैं, then you can say मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ. And I had eaten food, मैं खाना खा चुका था, या फिर you can say मैंने खाना खा लिया था. Both are right.
मैंने खाना खा लिया था.
Yeah, it is had.
चुकेगा चुकेगा.
Will.
मैं.
Yeah, I will have whenever it is
Okay,
I
only
will have.
if there is will.
Will. Okay, whenever we are talking about like I have eaten food is present tense. I had eaten food is past tense. If there is I will have eaten food, then it will be मैं खाना खा चुकूंगा. या फिर you want to make this kind of sentence, then you can say मैंने खाना खा लिया होगा in future tense. Like you can make two type of sentence. Both are right. Whatever is easy, you can choose that. If you want to say चुका है चुकी है is better, then you can say कि मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ. But if you find that it is easy, मैंने खाना खा लिया है, then you can also say this. If it is future tense, then you can say मैं खाना खा चुकूंगा in future tense. Or if you want to make this kind of sentence, then you can say मैंने खाना खा लिया होगा. So yeah, it will take some time. Like I think you have confusion in future tense. Almost you have like more doubts in future tense. Otherwise, I think present tense and past tense you are good. So okay, in next slide I will give you more sentence from future tense. How could you do this? Start from you.
आप.
This.
कैसे.
कर.
आप.
यह
यह कैसे.
कैसे. Could is just like can.
आप यह कैसे.
It is आप यह कैसे कर सकते हो. It is like can and may.
सकती.
Yeah.
आप यह कैसे कर सकती है.
सकते हैं. Okay.
कर सकती है. कैसे कर.
So sakti is not like there is no, we do not know there is female. So you can say like you can say kar sakte ho will be also fine. Okay. So okay, I just want to share in is मैं. Okay, I have shared it earlier also. In is मैं. On is पर.
मैं. पर.
From is से. Okay. Into is also may. Like in is may and into is also may, or andar we can say like andar is also for that. So yeah, there is a story and I have written in Hindi some typical words. Just try to translate it. Once there was a lion in the jungle who used to kill 2-3 animals daily for his meal. What is once? एक बार. जंगल में what is lion?
जंगल में
lion.
शेर.
हाँ, शेर था. ओके.
शेर.
हाँ, शेर था. What is who?
शेर था.
Like we say who is कौन, but जो. Here it will be जो. Like हाँ, कौन, but here in this sentence who will be जो. Like जो शेर था, जो to kill किल इज मारना। ओके, किसको मारता था? 2-3 एनिमल्स। व्हाट इज एनिमल्स? जानवर, जानवरों को, या
जानवरों।
तो जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक सेंटेंस।
एक बार
एक
जानवर,
ना, एक बार एक हु वाज लॉयन, देयर वाज अ लॉयन इन द जंगल। जंगल में
एक बार एक शेर था,
जंगल में एक शेर था। जंगल में एक शेर था जो
जंगल में शेर था
जो 2-3
जो
जानवरों को अपने भोजन के
दो
लिए
तीन जानवरों को अपने भोजन के लिए
किल, व्हाट इज किल?
मारता
मारता था। या all animals went to him to tell that daily one of them will come to him for his meal. All animals, what is animals? जानवर। तो all is सब। all means सब जानवर। him,
वह
उसके पास गए, and tell means बोले, that daily one of them will come to him
पास गए।
और क्या कहा उन्होंने? they said that daily means रोज, one of them उनमें से एक will come to him उसके पास जाएगा, किसके लिए? भोजन के लिए। Okay, I will just start. Once there was a lion in the jungle. एक जंगल में एक शेर था। एक बार एक जंगल में एक शेर था। Who used to kill 2-3 animals daily for his meal. जो 2-3 जानवरों को रोज अपने भोजन के लिए मार देता था। Okay? All animals went to him to tell. सभी एनिमल्स उसके पास गए और बोले that कि daily one of them will come to him for his meal. रोज एक, हम में से रोज एक आपके पास आएगा आपके उसके भोजन के लिए। So the lion agreed. इसलिए what will be? The lion agreed. Agreed is सहमत।
शेर था सहमत।
हाँ, शेर सहमत हुआ। एंड दिस स्टार्टेड गोइंग फॉर मैनी डेज। और यह स्टार्ट में शुरू हो गया, बहुत दिनों के लिए शुरू हो गया। वन डे इट वॉज रैबिट्स टर्न। डू यू रिमेम्बर व्हाट इज रैबिट? आई हैव शेयर्ड अर्लियर, आई थिंक यू फॉरगेट। वन डे, एक दिन, इट वॉज रैबिट्स टर्न। रैबिट इज खरगोश। It is खरगोश। Yeah. So turn is बारी। Now just make this sentence. It was rabbit's turn. What is it? It is यह। Rabbit. खरगोश। It is खरगोश। टर्न,
यह खरगोश
यह खरगोश की बारी थी. इट वॉज रैबिट्स टर्न. सो इट देर इज वॉज. सो यह खरगोश की बारी थी. टर्न मीन्स बारी. When he was on his way, he saw a well. What is when? When is
क्या
कब? No,
है?
when is कब?
कब
Yeah.
कब
But here we will say when means जब वह अपने रास्ते पे जा रहा था. He saw a well. What it will be? Just translate. He saw a well.
वह
कुआं. And सा is देखना. See means देखना. उसने क्या
देखना.
देखा? कुआं.
वह कुआं देखा. कुआं.
उसने कुआं देखा. हाँ. Now he plans to kill the lion and save himself. What is now?
कब. अब अभी.
या हाँ. अब उसने क्या किया? He plans. उसने सोचा. उसने क्या प्लान किया? उसने योजना बनाई. To kill. What is kill?
मारना.
या kill the lion. किसको मारने की? शेर को मारने की योजना बनाई. And save himself. So what is save? बचाना.
बचाना.
खुद को बचाने की. लाइक शेर को मारने की और खुद को बचाने की योजना बनाई. He went to the lion. Just translate this. He went to the lion.
वह शेर.
वह शेर के पास.
वह शेर के पास
गया.
गया.
And told him that there is another lion who claims to be more powerful than him. And told means कहा. उसने कहा कि there is another. वहां. There means वहां. Is another lion. What it will be? There is another lion. Just translate. There is another lion.
वे.
नहीं. There. What is उधर? Another is दूसरा. दूसरा.
शेर.
Is है. is है. वहां दूसरा शेर है जो क्लेम मीन्स दावा. जो दावा करता है ज्यादा शक्तिशाली. उससे भी ज्यादा शक्तिशाली होने का दावा करता है. Then the lion asked the rabbit. Just translate. Then the lion asked the rabbit.
तो
lion
शेर
ने ask मीन्स पूछा. किससे? the rabbit.
शेर ने पूछा.
किससे? rabbit.
शेर में पूछा. इससे
रैबिट से. ओके. तो शेर ने रैबिट से पूछा टू टेक हिम. लाइक उसके पास दूसरे. दैट लॉयन. उस like then the lion asked the rabbit to take him to that lion. like rabbit ने खरगोश ने शेर ने खरगोश को दूसरे lion के पास ले जाने के लिए पूछा. The rabbit takes him to the well. Just translate this sentence. The rabbit takes him to the well.
खरगोश. वह
खरगोश. take. What is take?
लेना,
हाँ, खरगोश, हिम, व्हाट इज हिम?
वह खरगोश, वह,
उसके पास, रैबिट टेक्स, उसे,
उसका,
खरगोश
उसका,
उसे,
उसके,
या, सो हियर इट विल बी खरगोश उसे टू द
खरगोश
वेल, व्हाट इज
उसे
वेल?
कुआं,
या, खरगोश उसे कुआं ले गया,
कुआं
एंड
ले गया,
एंड सेड, और कहा, ही लिव्स हियर, वह यहाँ रहता है, ही लिव्स हियर, वह यहाँ रहता है। When the lion looked in the well, so what is looked in the, when, जब शेर ने, look, what is look?
देखना,
हाँ, जब शेर ने कुएं में, इन द
देखना,
वेल मीन्स कुएं में देखा, इन द वेल कुएं में देखा, when the lion looked into the
कुआं में
well,
देखा,
he saw his own reflection. What is saw? See, what is see? See
देख,
is also देखना, या, उसने अपनी परछाई, ओन मीन्स अपनी परछाई देखी, एंड जंप, व्हाट इज जंप? कूदना, इन द वेल,
कूदना,
या, वेयर, कहाँ कूदा वो?
कूद,
कुएं में, इन द वेल, एंड डाइज, और डाई मीन्स मर गया। So yeah, it, yeah, just I just took this story, just want to see, like, can you, like, it will be difficult for you, but yeah, like, just try to read this kind of sentence. If you have Hindi newspaper, just try to read and just try to communicate. Okay, do you have in your college Hindi newspaper?
no, I think I will
Okay.
check.
Okay, if there is any Hindi book, just try to read, because it will be like, you will understand uska, iska. Like, sometimes what happened, I will share some things with you. Like, when, here it was who. You know that who is Kaun, but in some sentence, who is Joe. So there will be, like, it will be according to sentence. So it is also important for you to learn that sometimes you just try to understand that in this sentence, like, who will not be Kaun, it is different. So there are so many words, like, whenever we are speaking, they have different meaning. Okay, so many things are different, and like, we pronounce same. So yeah, it will take some time, but yeah, you are good in just tense now. You know that what is present, what is future. So for simple sentence you can make, but if you are going to literature, Hindi literature, or, so it will be difficult. So just give some extra efforts beside this class, like, not only 1 hour. Like, if you want to learn language, just try to speak, just try to give more attention, just see these ppts also, because sometimes you forget the words also. So it is important, it will be work if you will read all those. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, I think, like, there is need to improvement in future tense. So tomorrow I will make more sentence with future tense. Okay, like, there will be present and past to confuse you, but yeah, there will be more future tense. Okay, so धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, कल मिलते हैं।
धन्यवाद,
हाँ, कल
कल
मिलेंगे।
मिलते हैं।
ओके, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बाय बाय, ध्यान रखें।
धन्यवाद, बाय।